Hey guys, this is Alex and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're just gonna be at home. Girl, we're just gonna chill at home. We're gonna do a quarantine style. We are all in the same place right now, literally at home doing nothing. Maybe you're working from home, which is great. If you are privileged enough to work from home and still get a check, that is a blessing. But there are other people who are obviously in other circumstances. And at the end of the day, we're all just chilling at home, watching YouTube, watching videos, cooking, TikToking, you know, things. Maybe we'll go to the grocery store today, maybe not, we'll see how that works out. But yeah, y'all, we're just gonna chill and do our thing. I am in my robe right now. Right now we are rocking the robe life, slipper life, you already know. This robe, surprisingly, is from UGG. It was a gift, and it's probably one of the most comfortable robes I've ever owned. So I love this one for like summer when it's not too cold out. So that's what we got rocking today. Yeah, let's do this, guys. Okay, let's make a little breakfast, shall we? So I'm thinking bacon in the oven for like 15-20 minutes on 350. Some eggs, of course, with some toast. We've got avocado, and of course, some oranges. I'm gonna season the eggs with some fresh black pepper. Then we're gonna use some cayenne pepper in the egg just to give a little spice. Next, we're gonna hit up with some Italian seasoning. This has like basil, oregano, all that good stuff, so it's perfect on everything. And then last but not least, some garlic powder. I'm just gonna take a fork and then whisk all that together. That bacon smells really good, actually. I feel like I haven't smelled bacon in a long time. I'm gonna cut up a few oranges just to get some fruits in for breakfast. That right there. Yeah, looks good. You so quiet over there. Can't even see you. Yep. Not me. All right, guys. It is now the afternoon. I am checking in. I kind of just messed around this morning, did some stuff around the house, and just took some calls and stuff. But now I'm actually going to sit down and get some work done. So I'm going to show you guys my setup. Okay, this is my work setup here. I actually got this desk a couple months ago at Costco. I want to say it was $99. Is that right? This desk? Yeah, this desk was literally $100 from Costco. I actually got this notebook when I was in Paris with my family a couple years ago, so that was awesome. This is the real Mona Lisa. Look at her. Skin like glass. Yes, okay, so these are my computers. This one over here is my ThinkPad. This is what I use for work. So it was given to me by my job. It's not my favorite, but I use it for emails. It's really good for Outlook and Word. It has all the Microsoft products on it. And then of course over here we got my MacBook Pro. I got my MacBook probably 2 years ago and it's still trusty and doing its thing and doing well. Obviously I love using my Mac, especially because I work in social media, to like airdrop photos to myself, work in iMovie a lot, GarageBand, apps like that. So having both a Microsoft compatible computer and Apple laptop is perfect. And last but not least, I've been eating cake like a mad woman. If you saw my Instagram stories, I made a banana bread that was supposed to be a healthy banana bread, but it turned out to be a cake. So just with the flour that I used, ended up being more like cake-like. So I just ended up making frosting and, you know, here we are, 17 pieces later. Guys, believe it or not, it is almost 4 o'clock. The day has gone by super fast today, even though I've literally been at home. I definitely have allergies right now. I've been suffering with a lot of allergies. Like I find my nose is like so sensitive. I'm sneezing all the time. I have a little bit of a sore throat as well. So that's kind of weird, but besides that, I'm doing fine. So chilling in the house. I'm honestly just getting some work done. I'm trying to like schedule social posts for the rest of the month. I'm just kind of reach out to people for different campaigns. That's kind of what I do as a social media manager. So if you're curious as to what that is, basically like you manage social media accounts. So you manage the content that goes on there, you're reaching out to people for stories, and kind of planning out the content for some period of time. So that's kind of been what I've been doing most of the afternoons, nothing too exciting. Besides that, just been chilling, eating snacks, you know, stuff you shouldn't be doing, but that's what I'm doing. I told myself I was gonna do an at-home workout. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. But I don't know, I feel like this weekend I need to like do something to myself. Like I need to like get ready. I've been in sweatpants. Y'all, look at this. I've been in sweats. I've been in sweatpants like for the past like 8 days. I don't even know how many days. I couldn't even tell you, but I've been in sweatpants for so long. Obviously because it's comfortable, but I don't know. I need to like get dressed. Not necessarily just get dressed, but like maybe I need to do my makeup. Like I need to like get ready, do my skincare. I'm gonna show you guys my skincare, but I like literally just splashed water on my face this morning. I know, she's disgusting. Okay, so I actually have a couple more projects I wanna work on for work. I just wanna knock out a couple of stuff today before I finish for the day. So I'll probably work for like 2 or so more hours. I actually just asked Chris to go to the grocery store for me. Because honestly, he just walks a lot faster and just is a lot more efficient. So I'm like, you know what, can I give you a list and you just, you know, get these things for me? So luckily he said yes. Just needed more meats. Girl, who's texting me? I got no friends. Yes, I asked him to get like some meats, like some fruits to make some smoothies. I want to try to balance, you know, eating it somewhat healthy during this quarantine. I don't want to leave this and feel like really awful. Even though, you know, you don't need to be dieting during this time. I'm not trying to diet by any means. I just want to, you know, just make sure I have a balance of eating, you know, my fun cakes and cupcakes and all these baking recipes I want to do, but also have like my salads and stuff too. So, and yeah, y'all, that's it. So I'm gonna get started on some work and I'll check in with y'all a little bit later. Just making sure we got all the essential items we need in case we are stuck at home for any longer, girl. We got some chicken. We've got romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is always good to have for salads, sandwiches, burgers. Of course, some almond milk. I always love vanilla or unsweetened vanilla. That's like some leftover takeout food right there. Meats, plenty of meats. Always get your grass-fed when it comes to ground beef. If you don't know Flav City on YouTube and Instagram, he has got me hooked on grass-fed beef. It is so much better for you than the other stuff. So always go grass-fed when it comes to your beef, bacon, eggs, other meats, cheese, always. I'm thinking maybe taco night coming soon, girl, you know? Some tortillas, some meat, some avocado, all the good stuff. Celery as well. I always keep a bunch of lemons on hand. This just cut up from earlier. Sandwich meats, cheese, some leftover foods, celery. We've got flaxseed back there, just a couple of other condiment items. So mangoes, I'm thinking maybe a mango smoothie tomorrow. Oranges, all that good stuff. Water, plenty of water, and just all the everyday condiments right here. Freezer is also pretty stocked up. We got salmon, we got shrimp. I bought some ground turkey. We always gotta have some snacks. It's good to have, you know, your balanced fruits, veggies, all that good stuff, but it's good to have some of the good stuff lying around. Trail mix, I love trail mix. Believe it or not, I need to just make my own trail mix because I just always pick out the raisins anyway. Starburst, some chips, fruit snacks. You can never go wrong with some Walmart fruit snacks. And just some other produce items. I haven't put these away in the fridge yet because every time I go grocery shopping, no matter where it is, I always wash my fruits first. So what I'll do is I will take a bowl, put apple cider vinegar. I know, sounds kind of gross. Put apple cider vinegar and let the fruits and veggies soak in there. Maybe for 10 minutes. I probably do it much longer now just because, you know, Corona. But let them soak. I'll show you guys how I do that. And of course, wine and soap. Because what do you really need in quarantine? Wine and soap. Like this one, just if you're putting a lot of fruits and vegetables in there, but I'm just putting some strawberries, avocado, and bell peppers. So not too many, but this is all I have left, so we're gonna do what we got. I'm gonna go ahead and take the strawberries, cut off the green tip, and then add them into the same bowl with the other fruits and vegetables. Strawberries in general are heavily sprayed with pesticides, all that nasty stuff, just because they're so attractive for ants and other insects. So whether it's strawberries or other fruits and vegetables you have, definitely let them soak in vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or you can literally wash them with soap and water. So if you have none of that at home, you can make a bowl of warm soap and water, let them soak in there, and then you can rinse them off really, really well before you eat them. I don't know about you guys, but when I come home, or if I am home, whatever it is, and I take a shower after a long day, especially like today, it was just a busy work day, it just makes me feel so much better, especially when I put like essential oils in there. Like I used peppermint tonight. I just put a few drops of peppermint in the shower as it was steaming, and it's just like so invigorating. Like it literally just like gets into your nose, your head, your lungs, especially peppermint. It really helps with headaches. So when I have like long days or I'm like staring at a computer all day, I have a headache or a migraine or whatever, I will always use peppermint in my shower, in my skincare in some way. That way I just kind of open up my sinuses, get all that stuff. Especially I've been feeling like a lot of allergies lately. So I'm just trying to like open up the airways, if you know what I mean. Besides I'm feeling a little tired, I'm gonna do like a little nighttime skincare. And then, honestly, just lay back and probably go to sleep. So, water is so good, you know? Just so good. So I have a full talked out skincare routine on my YouTube channel. I will link it down below as well, but I'm just gonna go through a quick run through. I have not been giving my skin the love that it needs, I will say that. So I'm definitely breaking out. You may not be able to see. I don't know. I'm going to use this Philosophy Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash. And this is more of an exfoliator, so it has like those little micro beads in them that kind of like gently, you know, exfoliate the skin. Nothing rough. I don't feel like I break out because of this. It just helps to kind of get the extra gunk out. And I feel like I could use that right now. So I'm going to use this instead of Clean and Clear. Next, I'm gonna tone my skin with the Lancome Hydrating Toner. Then I'm gonna use some hemp seed oil, take a few drops to the face, and just rub it in. But I'm just gonna take the very last, very last of what is left of this Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I really like this mask a lot. It's expensive. I don't remember how much it is exactly, but it's like 40 or 50 bucks. And I'm like, ooh, to spend that money on a mask. So if I just feel like I need an extra layer of some moisture, or, you know, just want my skin looking and feeling extra smooth, like extra just silky, you know what I mean? Then I will use this. All right, just flip the camera over. Oh yeah, we're feeling good. Okay guys, that concludes it for my quarantine vlog today at home. I know it wasn't the most exciting thing, but you know, these are the times. So we are just at home chilling. I'm hoping that you are doing okay, you're taking care of yourself, doing what you have to do. Guys, we're all in this together, so it's crazy out here, but take the time, do what you need to do to take care of yourself. Be sure to take a moment to like this video down below, subscribe to the Alex Walker family, and of course, share this video. Just share the video. Do what you gotta do, girlfriend. Do what you gotta do. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.